Right, this is a video on investigating failure domains. And the objective is to observe the flow of network traffic in different topologies. Observe the change of flow in network traffic when a point of failure is introduced into the network. So there are three different topologies in this packet tracer. There is a partial mesh, a star topology, and a full mesh topology. So in the partial mesh topology, we have one link light right here that remains amber, and on the full mesh we have three that remain amber, and on the star we don't. So in the partial mesh and full mesh topology, the network has redundant links. So however, in order to avoid switching loops, some of the links have been shut down, as noted by the amber links between the switches. And so the star topology does not have those switch loops in them. So that's why you don't have to worry about that. So a good distribution layer design can limit the parts of the network that are affected by network failure. Failure of a single device should not cause the network to go down. So we're going to observe the flow of the network traffic in each topology. Then we're going to introduce a point of failure in each network topology by deleting a trunk line between the two switches. So once the link is removed, we need to allow time for the network to reconverge. And after the network has reconverged, then we will observe the flow of traffic and note how the network failure affects the flow of our traffic. So in step one, we're going to observe the flow of the traffic on the partial mesh topology. So we're going to, beyond this one right here, we're going to go into the simulation mode. And okay, we're going to click on the auto capture play button and observe the flow of the traffic from PM3B right here to PM4B right here. Okay, PM3B to PM4B. Alright. See how this works. So it says when the buffer full window appears, click clear event list and then reset your simulation button. I suppose we need to do that, right? And then it goes out to here. And it goes back over here. There. Goes up. Here. Here. And down. Okay. Okay, buffer full, clear event list, reset simulation. Alright, and then we're going to introduce a point of failure on the partial mesh topology. So we're going to delete the trunk link between PM2 and PM4. So we're going to delete this trunk link right here. Okay, and then change to, oh, I suppose I'm supposed to go into real time to do that. Okay, well, anyway. Change to simulation mode, play scenario 0 again, and observe the flow of traffic from PMB to PM4B. PM3B to PM4B. So it just goes this way. Instead of going up and down and around, it just goes that way. Okay, let's clear the list, reset, and okay, now we're going to observe the flow of traffic in the star topology. And okay. Click the drop down arrow in the scenario window and select scenario 1. Well, I deleted that. Anyway, click the auto capture play button and observe the flow of traffic from S2A to S4B. So we're going to go from S2A to S4B, and we're going to hit auto capture play. That's pretty simple, cut and dry. Okay, so now it says we're going to delete the trunk link between star 1 and star 2. So that would be right here. We're going to delete this trunk link. Since the star topology has no redundant links, the network will not need to reconverge. So let's go take that dude out of there. Now, let me point something out here. So we're trying to get from here, S2A, to down here to S4B. We've deleted this link, this cable right here, and broke our star. We can't go out of this. There's no cable going here to go this way, and there's no cable going this way. So when we replay our scenario, it's going absolutely nowhere. So let's do this. That's it. It won't go nowhere because we took our link out. Okay, so next we're going to observe the flow of traffic in a full mesh topology. So So we're going to click on the down arrow, and we aren't going to do that. Sheesh. We're just going to do there. That works for me. Okay. We're going to go from FM1A right here to FM3B right down here. That's what we're going to do. Auto capture play. Alrighty. That works pretty good. Okay, so let's go here. Now we're going to introduce a point of failure into the full mesh topology. So we're going to delete the trunk between FM2 and FM3. FM2 and FM3. FM2 is FM3, so we're going to delete this one. Okay. We're going to switch to real-time mode. We're going to allow time for the network to reconverge. And then we're going to play that scenario again from here to here. Okay, we're going to auto capture play. So it has another way of getting around where if you had a failure right here, which we did because we deleted the line, then it can still get out to everything. Where the star, we had the failure, we couldn't go any further than right there. So that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, we better check our results. Thanks, Don.